In this video, I'll show you how to use the admin panel in Monday.com. Start from anywhere inside your workspace. The admin panel gives account administrators access to settings that control users, permissions, security, billing, and workspace management. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. From the menu, select Administration. This opens the Admin Center. On the left side, you'll see several sections. Under Directory, there's the Users section, which allows you to add, remove, and manage members. There's also the Security section that contains settings related to login methods and account protection. Depending on your plan, you may also have access to billing settings, app management, usage statistics, and audit logs. You can review permissions, manage guests, and monitor activity across the workspace. Administrators typically use the admin panel to maintain security and ensure the account is properly organized. Because some settings affect the entire account, changes should be reviewed carefully before being applied. And that's how to use the admin panel in Monday.com.